Hello and welcome. In this Infilink video tutorial, we are going to check out two useful script commands. Run and SendKeys. Run command enables you to launch or execute another Windows application, like a Notepad application, or some email application. Using SendKeys command, you can send keystrokes to any other Windows application on the same computer and control, or interact with it. We will look at the usage and syntax of both of these commands. We will create simple Infilink projects and demonstrate both of these commands. So let us get started. Script command, run, expects a string literal, or string tag, or string expression, as its argument. First two variants are using a string literal as an argument to run command, and these will start Notepad application. The third variant uses a string tag as an argument to run command. The value of the string tag will be used to launch that application. Before executing the run command, this tag should contain valid application exe file name. You can also provide full path and exe file name as shown here. You can provide a file name as a command line argument. For most of the applications, this command line argument will be used as a file name that will be opened on application startup. A message will be posted into Event Logger if Infilink successfully launches the application. Once the application is launched, you can interact with that application using SendKeys script command. Typically, by sending Alt+F for key combination, you can close that application. You can start other applications along with Infilink by putting run script command in project on startup event. You also can use run script command on button click events or on alarm events and so on, but you should avoid using run script command in scripts which are repetitively executed. SendKeys script command will send keystrokes to another application. The keystrokes will be sent to target application's active window. The target application is identified by matching the caption of active window with the caption specified at parameter 1. Flag, which is parameter 3, decides how the caption matching is done. Case sensitivity and exact match are the two criteria used for deciding the caption matching outcome. Here is the screenshot of relevant help page from Infilink's help documentation. Infilink will send the keystrokes specified in parameter 2 to the target application's active window. The keystrokes will be sent to all the active windows that match the caption. So, with this command you can send the keystrokes to one or more target applications. Generally, you can send the keystrokes for all the keys which are present on the keyboard. Primarily US English keyboard keys work well. Here is the relevant page from Infilink help documentation that shows some special keys and how to send those keystrokes with this SendKeys script command. Now let us move ahead and check out these script commands with simple Infilink projects. Creating a button and assigning Run Notepad script command to it. Let us save and run the project. Creating a button and assigning SendKeys script command to send some text to Notepad application. I have now added 3 more buttons. The Save Dialog button will request Notepad application to launch Save File dialog. After the Save File dialog opens up, we will send a file name to the Save As dialog. Then, by sending Enter, we will end the file save process. Let us see the SendKeys script commands that carry out these tasks. We are saving the file by sending Ctrl+S command to Notepad. Sending Ctrl+S is achieved by sending 3 keystrokes: Ctrl down, S, and Ctrl up. You can send these kind of special keystrokes with SendKeys script command. Some examples of the special keystrokes are keys like F1, 2, F12, or key combination like Alt, F4. Infilink help documentation lists these special keystrokes and how to send them. Let us save and run the project. We have just seen how you can launch and control other applications by using Infilink scripting. Just now, I have used 5 buttons to carry out 5 different actions by clicking the buttons one after another. This was for clear demonstration. But in your real-world applications, you can trigger these SendKeys commands one after another. Sometimes, some time delay is needed to be introduced in between some actions. In this example, time delay is essential after sending Ctrl+S, so that Save As dialog becomes active before we send file name to it. Such situations can be handled by using Infilink timer objects. Later, I will demonstrate that in this video. In the next section, we will see how we can write tag values to Notepad. Notice that we are providing name of the file to open as command line argument. Let me copy this script and show it in a bigger window. Notice that at line 1, we are sending Ctrl+N, keystroke to Notepad. That will place the cursor at the end of text in Notepad, so that whatever we write will get written at the end of file. At line 2, we are sending current time to Notepad by sending the value of formatted time, system tag. At line 3, we are converting tag values of tag 1 to 3 into strings, and adding those strings to form a single string. Then we are sending that whole string to Notepad. Using this kind of technique, you can extract information from Infilink project and send it to external application. While sending Control down and Control up key sequences, please always ensure that you send key up command after key down command. If you miss it, keyboard operation gets disturbed. If at all that happens, just manually generate Control down and Control up by pressing and releasing Control key. This is true for Shift and Alt keys also. Let us save and run the project. Notice that Infilink has posted an event message into Event Logger, informing about successful execution of run command. We have just seen how tag values can be written to Notepad by using SendKeys script command. This was for demonstration of SendKeys command. But Infilink provides script commands to write to text file directly without going through this lengthy process. We will check out those text and CSV file write commands in some later videos. For now, in the next section, let us see how tag values can be written to a spreadsheet. Till now, we are using separate buttons to trigger various actions involved in writing to Notepad or spreadsheet applications. In the next section, let us see how we can use an Infilink timer object and carry out these actions just by triggering a timer. We will not use the 4 buttons at the bottom. Instead, we will use a timer, and by just triggering that timer, we will carry out complete sequence of actions to write tag values to Notepad. I have created a timer object with 1-second time resolution. 4 tags are created and associated with this timer object. The timer is triggered by enabling it by switching on the Enable tag. The tag attached to a lapse time property of this timer will provide the time count. At desired time counts, Run Notepad and SendKeys script commands will be executed to carry out tag value writes to Notepad application. For more detailed information of Infilink timer object, please refer to a video explaining these timer objects. The video is available on this channel. Notice that we are using same Run and SendKeys script commands, but now we are executing them at various timer counts. I have deliberately programmed 5-second time delay between successive actions so that you can see the action sequence clearly. Later, I will make this sequence faster and execute the sequence again. At second 1, Notepad is started. At 6, control end and tag values are sent. At 11, control S is sent to save the file. At 16, alt F4 is sent to close the Notepad application. This is how you can run and control external applications by using Infilink Script commands. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment in the comments section or write to our support team. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.